When you launch Unity Hub, it may ask you to sign in. You'll need a unity3d.com ID. So if you don't have that, head back to unity3d.com and go ahead and actually create an account. You're going to need that to not only use the Unity engine, but also access the entire ecosystem, such as using the Unity forums, Unity Connect, as well as the Unity Asset Store, where you can download a bunch of assets. Now we're going to create a new project. You want to make sure that you're in the Projects tab, and you'll see here that we have a new button with a drop-down arrow. That drop-down arrow is going to let us select the version of Unity that we want to use. By selecting the latest version of Unity, it's automatically going to create a new project with those settings. So let's give our project a name. The first game of this course is going to be a space shooter. Typically what you'll do is you'll create a location for all of your Unity projects, and you're going to want to make sure that you name this appropriately so that you can reference it later. So I'm going to call this Space Shooter Pro. Alright, and go ahead and choose your Unity project's location, and then you'll see here that we have 2D template settings. So for example, if you're creating a 2D game, you'll select 2D. For 3D, 3D, 2.5D, you can select 3D. And then we have something called scriptable rendering pipelines down here. Now we're not going to cover these in depth in this course, but these allow you to create high fidelity graphic applications for mobile and VR, as well as console desktop applications and high-end VR. For our purposes in learning Unity and creating some really beautiful prototypes, we can use just the 2D and standard 3D settings. So for this game, we are going to be creating a 2.5D version of a space shooter. So let's go ahead and select 3D and then click on Create. This is going to compile a new Unity project and we'll be ready to go. I'll see you in the next video.